The Crati is a river in Calabria, southern Italy. It is the largest river of Calabria and the third largest river of southern Italy after the Volturno and the Seal. In classical antiquity it was known as the Crathis. Geography. The Crati rises in the central Sila Mountains in the Comune a Prigliano. It starts as the Craticello at an elevation of 1,742 meters. It descends very steeply northward towards Cosenza, where it is joined on the left by the Busenta River, doubling in size. From here on it flows through a large plain, the Vallo del Crati. Here it is joined by several tributaries from the right, the Arenta, Muconi and Duia rivers. Several smaller streams also join it on the right. The Finita, Turbolo, Cucciato, Campagnano, Mavagliano and Settimo. With a discharge of 20 cubic meters per second it continues to Tascia, where a dam forms an artificial lake of the same name. From here it changes course to the northeast and meets with the Cosile River approximately 5 kilometers from the Gulf of Taranto. The Cosile is its main tributary on the left, which again doubles the river in size. It continues eastwards, passing immediately south of the archaeological site of Sybarise and Thuri. Its mouth is near the marina of the Comune Corigliano Calabro. Hydrology. The Crati is the largest river in the region in terms of discharge, both as an annual average, minimum, and maximum. The river is very seasonal and can sometimes bring disastrous winter floods, which happened most recently in December 2008. History. Because of its close proximity to the famous ancient city of Sybarise, the Crati was noticed by many ancient writers. Lycophron and Theocritus mention the river in their poetry. Euripides praises the river and alleges that it would change the color of the hair to auburn. Others mention different colors, and Pliny the Elder writes that it would make sheep white. According to Strabo, the river received its name because it was a mixture, just like the Crathis River in Achaia. Pausanias and Herodotus also mention it, but state that the river was named after the Crathis River. Strabo also claims that the Croton diverted the course of the Crathis to submerge Sybarise. Research has not confirmed this. The Crati transports coarse sand and pebbles in its channel. If Strabo's claim is true, that material would have been deposited as sediment above the city where the river submerged it. Future retrieval of additional cause and facies analysis will eventually confirm or discredit Strabo's account. In the time of Sybarise, the Cosile was not a tributary of the Crati, but pursued a direct course to the Gulf of Taranto. It probably followed a course at a short distance to the north of Sybarise.